So let's say you've made a great video, like with a good animation, cool sounds, amazing effects, like everything looks perfect. But here is the problem. If your thumbnail isn't good, your videos won't get views, because the thumbnail is a hook that grabs people's attention. So no hook, no click, no click, no views, pain. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make amazing thumbnails using Flipaclip in my phone. And by the end of this video, you are going to know how to create storytime animation thumbnails like this. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the basics. First, let's give our project a name. I'm going to call mine Storytime Animation Thumbnail. Now for the canvas size, I will be using 1080p for better quality, but if your phone is not that powerful, you can go with 720p and it will still look great. Next up, frame per second. Since we are not animating anything in this video, you can actually choose any FPS you want. I'm just going to set mine to 1 FPS to keep things simple. For the background, I will stick with white, but feel free to pick any colors you like. Alright, now let's create the project. Now go into your pen settings, set your pen stability to around 15% and decrease your pen size to about 3 pixels. And just like that, we are ready to start drawing. So what I'm doing first is, I'm not going straight into clean drawing. Instead, I'm starting with a rough sketch. As you can see, I'm just drawing a simple version of the character, nothing crazy, nothing detailed, just enough to give me a clear idea of the character I want to create. Alright, now I'm going to speed this part up a bit, so stay with me. And just like that, our sketch is done. Now to make this thumbnail pop, let's add some sparkles to make it more eye-catching. Small details like this can make a big difference. Okay, now that the sketch is finished, it's time for clean line art. First, add a new layer, then lower the opacity of your sketch layer to around 35% and rename your new layer to body. Now increase your pen size to about 4 pixels and go to your pen settings. Turn the stability all the way up to 100%. This will help you get those smooth, clean lines. Alright, now I'm going to speed this part up again. And here is where we are at so far. Looking clean already. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add colors, text effects that will take your thumbnails to the next level. Anyways, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!